We are at the Hard Rock Hollywood location, and this is our pre-cruise stay. Let's go check out our room. 11921 in the Guitar Hotel. When you come in, you have your bathroom area here on your right. It is a double sink configuration. Does have your hair dryer. It has a magnifying light up mirror. It has your shower with a rainfall shower head, a handheld wand, and then your regular shower head. It does have your shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Your toilet area is over here. It does have the sliding glass door. When you come out, you have your closet area. It contains 2 robes. And it does tell you if you take it, you're charged $75. And it does have a ironing board. Your safe is in here. And then it does just have some empty drawers down below. Your temperature controls are right here. It does have a Keurig. These are the supplies that they gave. And then it does have a little refrigerator down below. Your TV. Does have your 2 beds in this room. And it does have these sliding doors that look into the bathroom. So I guess if someone's getting ready and you need to talk to them, you can talk to them through the window. I don't know. Over here you have your desk area, and this is the view from the room. You can overlook the pool with the cabanas. Very nice room.